Hey everybody, it's Ashley with flshelling. So today I have a fun activity like normal, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a decorative gift bag with seashells on it. So once upon a time, not so long ago, I tried my hand at craft fairs. It's not really for me, so I'm stuck with a bunch of bags. So I hate to just let them sit there and not really do anything. So today I decided to glue seashells on them. So I've never have done this before, but I don't feel like it's gonna be that hard. So I thought I would do it for the first time with you guys. So sit back and enjoy, and let's let the creativity flow. All right, so I am going to cut these like that. And let's see what we can Let's see what we can come up with, shall we? Okay, so let's see, I got a bunch of shells and I got my hot glue gun. So let's just start, shall we? All right. So I think like what would be best would be, let's see, maybe like up top, and then, yeah, let's do it up top. And then if we want to, we can even cut out on like white paper or something, or scrap paper, or scrapbook paper, like a circle or something, so you can like write the person's name. All right, so we're just gonna get started. And I think like the key, because these bags are so small, is to keep it fairly light. Okay, so let's just, wait, what did I say? Yeah, the top, okay. Okay, next shell. So I have a box of shells I like to use that like aren't the prettiest, like they're good shells, but they might have holes in them. Like the olive is missing its top, the moon snail has a hole on the side. There's nothing wrong with that one. But it's the shells that like aren't like perfect, but you don't want to put back into the ocean. So I like to use the shells like that for crafting, because then if they do have any like imperfections, I can just hide them. Okay, so that would be cute right there. Put a little dab of glue right there. I think like a bright blue limpet would look good on this. It would really like make it pop. So this is a blue Barbados limpet. Let me see if I can squeeze that under. That's good enough, I think. And I probably like would want to stop there. I don't think I want to clutter it up any more than that. But I'm going to grab a pearl to put in the middle of that, because I think that would really make it like stand out a little bit better. So hold on one second and let me grab that. So go use the bathroom real quick if you need to. Okay, I hope you peed fast. I don't know why that's going crooked. Yeah, all right. So let's see, I have some white pearls here. So I'm gonna put a dab of glue. Let's see, so there's a hole like right there. So I think I'm just gonna put the glue on the side where there's no hole. So the no hole side shows up, or it's like pointing up. And I'm just gonna kind of plop it in and roll it so the holes hide. Let's see, I wonder if it needs like anything else. I feel like it needs like something. Like that would be cute right there. And then I have a white one. Let's see. Like, I think this one would be good here, so I'll go ahead and glue that now. While I find something else just to put like right there. It just needs a little, like something. I think we're on the right track here. Oh, here we go. Oh, I know. Like a cardita, maybe? It's kind of busy. Or, what it would look like if I had another. These would make like really cute gift bags for a beach wedding. I was just thinking that. Oh, an auger. No, it competes with it. Oh, there we go. I think that works. I dab a hot glue there. I love that hot glue dries so quickly. Slide that baby in. All right, there we go. I think that looks nice. And then if you want to go like the extra mile, you could definitely like cut out something white and leave it blank so somebody could write in the person's name. But I think for right now, I'm just gonna do the seashells and leave it as is. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys around next time.